Hey everybody, this is just a quick video. We're super excited to announce that we are raising through Gitcoin Grants Season 20 for IC devs. We already have one bounty that was funded through Gitcoin Grants 19 to start to build a Motoko EVM. So we have a developer right now who's working through building all of the opcodes and putting in the basic infrastructure for the memory and the Merkle trees and all that cool stuff. And in Gitcoin Grants 20, we're trying to raise more funds to continue to build that. This will enable us to have a EVM that can be deployed onto a internet computer canister that will be able to run Solidity code. They'll be able to simulate transactions based off of state. It'll be able to potentially watch the chain and even run a trustless execution node. And eventually we can use this to verify transactions and potentially run a decentralized trustless consensus node as well, running off the internet computer. We're very close, we think, to also having the internet computer run as a compute node for AO, the Arweave network. And so this would allow us to run an EVM built in Motoko for the AO network also. So that's what we're raising money for, and we hope that you will help us raise those funds. The more people we get, it's quadratic funding, the more matching funds we can get. So I'm going to switch over here real quick to this view, and we'll walk through how easy it is to donate. It's much better this time. You don't have to do all this Gitcoin grant stuff. Gitcoin passport stuff. You still have a passport, and I think that may help on the back end, but they're doing a lot of stuff retroactively after, and so you don't have to mess with too much of that stuff. So this is our page on Gitcoin Grants. We'll put it down below. You see our cool new logo we're working on. And you can see that we've raised 75 bucks. That's great. 9 contributors. We want to improve that. And what we're going to do here is we are going to contribute on Arbitrum, because I think that's currently the cheapest way to do it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to have some Arbitrum ETH. So if you go to bridge.arbitrum.io, you can see that I am logged in here and that I have a little ETH, and that I want to move 0.1 of my ETH over to Arbitrum ETH. It says it's going to cost $2.52. All right, let's give it a try. So MetaMask is going to ask me to do this, and I'm on Ethereum mainnet. I am sending my 0.1 ETH to over here. Now it's going to take 15 minutes to settle, or about there. So I will be back in 15 minutes and show you how to complete this process. All right, so our transaction has moved over here to settled transaction, and it was a success. So now I should have some Arbitrum ETH, and if I go over here and change my network in MetaMask to Arbitrum 1. Sure enough, I have some. So let's go donate. I'm going to come over here to the IC Devs page. I love this project. Let's do it. I'm going to add it to my cart. Add it to cart. I can now go to my cart. And I'm going to put 0.009. I'm leaving a little room for gas. We'll see if that's going to be enough. Well, we're on Arbitrum, so what's my balance? Is it exactly 0.1? Yeah, so let's do 99. That might be enough. I may actually do that. And it says I'm going to get matched up to $160 for contributing $30.99. So y'all can really help us out by donating a little bit. Let's see. Check out all your carts across different networks and select the cart you wish to check out now. Check out Arbitrum cart. Check out. It's going to tell me what this is going to be. My estimated fee is very little, so I should be good. I'm going to confirm. And it is finalizing my contribution because it's on Arbitrum. I hope it's going to be very quick. It says I have only 31 cents left, so that must be good. And it says my thing is confirmed here. Let's go view that on the Block Explorer, Arbiscan. Okay. So it moved it from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. Now, what I'm hoping we're going to be able to do is use the Ethereum RPC canister from our ICDV canister, and if you contribute, find a way to mint you some ICDV. So I haven't written that code yet. It's on my to-do list. Fortunately, this is on the blockchain, so I have a little time. I can, if I get it done, hopefully during the raise, which is 13 more days. But if not, I'll make sure it gets done afterwards, and you'll need to come and sign a transaction. And if you can prove you're you, we will then mint you the proportionate amount of ICDV for what you did. So this is great. Now, I did see a message saying that their indexers were not quite working. Let's just look at the Explorer and try to find us now. And it hasn't updated yet, but hopefully it'll update soon. All right, that's it for today. I hope you'll see how easy this is and how quick you can get it done. It takes less than 15 minutes to get your ETH over to Arbitrum. Of course, if you're on Coinbase, you can just go ahead and, or other centralized exchanges, and you have ETH, you may just be able to withdraw it straight to Arbitrum. So however you need, get some Arbitrum and head over to the Gitcoin Explorer, find IC devs and contribute, and we will use that to help release more bounties to build out the Motoko EVM. Thanks a lot, everybody.